Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen, and cheers to all of my fellow espresso lovers out there. Now, if you're an espresso lover like me, but you're always looking for the best value, the best bang for your buck, the best deal out there, and you're pretty much looking for that espresso machine that's under $100, then I have a surprise for you. Actually, the same espresso machine that brewed this right here cost me only $89. And let me tell you how I did it. So, I was just scouring the internet and I came across a website called davidandmax.com. And on davidandmax.com, I got completely unbiased reviews and ratings on the best espresso machines that was out there in the market. And these guys are two professional baristas, so I instantly trusted them. I trusted their opinion. And I was able to find my espresso machine for only $89. So I saved a ton of money and I am completely happy. As I mentioned, I'm always looking for the best deal, so 89 bucks was a steal for me. And for you guys that are interested, if you're an espresso lover like me, but you don't really want to break the bank and you want to pay under $100 for your espresso machine, I left a link in the description below, so make sure you click it and you can get instant access. Everything on the website is free, all of the ratings and reviews are free, and you can pick the espresso maker that's going to fit your lifestyle. So cheers once again to all of my espresso lovers, and thank you for listening.